PRTG stock analysis. Should you buy or wait? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. While I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in mentors and courses and 5 years of my time to finally figure out what's making me money and what's not, and genuinely looking at Portage Biotech, bullish range, all I'm looking to further do is buy, right? Like before here, I have a demonstration proof that I cut it out beforehand. There you go. I mean, it was sitting at 880 at the time. I was just looking to double down on that, and guess what happened, right? 6 days back, this absolutely just flew, and it came down and starting to kind of fly up yet again. Genuinely speaking, I just want to see a little correction, and then and only then I'm going to be open to taking things up. And if this does not happen, there's no way that I'm going to be willing to buy. Again, that's at least just me. It's not financial advice. I'm just waiting for my confirmations because I've literally have more videos than anyone else in this space with 40K on this YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how I'm making 2 to 4K per month trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's get my free emails.